this is Sophia and today's news is gonna be kids' dream jobs. Recently, a company did a survey. It surveyed elementary school students. It asked them about their dream jobs. Most students wanted to be a teacher. This is because they are familiar with the jobs. They know a lot about it. Doctor and entertainer are popular jobs among kids. Chef is newly popular. Many students want to be a chef. Many cooking shows affect them. What is your dream job? Is it on the list? And my dream job is figure skater and gymnast. What's your dream job? Bye!